Taga Mindanao ka rin?
Ito yung mga kumari kong expired, hirap na hirap sila kumain ng manok. Kasi yung manok na yan yung pagsabong kayo.
It's okay.
At yung pipiliin ay
Work pa rin.
Kasi yung isa, mamaya palalabas kapag lumipad siya.
Actually, I'm having lunch break kasi that's why I'm here in the corner. Pampanga. Malayo pala sa inyo.
Yan yung pagsabong kayo matigas. At yung ngipin ni inay, isa yan. Kasi yung isa,
Jacket po, Ma'am Blue Moderator po.
Thank you for watching. Get well soon. Kung nakikita yung mga kumari kong expired, hirap na hirap sila kumain ng manok. Kasi yung manok na yan yung pagsabong kaya matigas. At yung ngipin ni inay, isa lang. Kasi yung isa, mamaya palalabas.
What do you mean by that, amigo?
Thank you for watching. Get well soon.
Yes, pero... I said, I'm having a lunch break here, Tommy. And I need to end like 1:10 or 1:08. So, mga around 1:07 I need to end my live. Sure. Paano ba? It's done, amigo. Hi, Renato Silva. Hello. Hello to you. Did you need to speak English when you say my name? Oh, guys, please don't away-away on my live. We're here to... Please, guys. We're friends here. Oh, nice to meet you, Renato, from Brazil.
I got these summer shoes for just $51. That's enough for me.
Okay.
Right, that's a song entitled Terrified by Catherine. Look at the standard time. We have 7 minutes plus 10 o'clock in the morning. And that time check was brought us by Bungalon Island Manufacturing. Right.
Sure, I will. Pagkatapos kong pagkatapos kong mag-live. Hindi naman. One na lang ako. One na lang. Ganina, gamera, mga 10, 11, makawala-wala na po siya. Muna pong 9, inanaar siya. I-watch ko yung videos mo mamaya, amigo. Then, I will subscribe you too. May nanay na punta ron, Miss Mar, ha?
Five minus 5 times 5.
I'm heading out, Jay. Take care, okay? Work happy, not too much. Oh, thank you so much, Tommy. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day and have a nice day.
5 minus 5 times 5. 5 minus 5 times 5. 5 minus 5 times 5.
Or, amigo, try to comment some of my videos so that I will,
5 minus 5.
it'll easy to find you.
5 minus 5 times 5. 5 minus 5 times 5.
Because I can't so sure if
30, mali.
maano kita.
5 minus 5.
Kung makita ba kita basta mag-ano ka lang,
5 minus 5.
mag-comment ka sa mga ano ko lang, sa mga highlights ko lang or sa